In today's fast-paced digital world, where screens dominate every aspect of our lives, it's crucial to remember the art of unwinding and the profound benefits of stepping back. As we journey through the realms of digital detox, we discover a path not just to relaxation, but to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Imagine for a moment the last time you truly felt at peace. Was it in front of a screen, or was it perhaps in a moment of serene detachment, a moment when the digital noise faded into the background and the beauty of the present became clear? Science tells us that reducing screen time can significantly improve our mental well-being, enhancing our focus, sleep quality, and real-world relationships. It's not just about turning off devices, it's about turning on life. Consider the wisdom of mindfulness, a practice not bound by any single philosophy, but embraced by thinkers and sages across the globe. Mindfulness teaches us to observe without judgment, to breathe with intention, and to reconnect with the fundamental elements of our existence. In this space, away from the constant barrage of notifications and distractions, we find clarity and purpose. So I urge you, as both a guide and a fellow traveler on this journey, to embrace the moments of silence, to cherish the pauses between the endless streams of digital content. Let us not measure our worth by the number of likes and shares, but by the depth of our experiences and the quality of our connections. In the grand tapestry of life, every moment spent in genuine connection with ourselves and our environment is a precious thread. Unplug, unwind, and watch as the world unfolds in its full wonder before your eyes. This is not just a break from the screen. It's an awakening to the vibrant life that exists beyond it.